Alright guys, we're back at it again with another model build. I found this at Ollie's actually. Monogram 32 Ford Street Rod. So I didn't know if it was going to be a good kit, bad kit. I don't know. It was 15 bucks. Skill level 4. Here's the pieces. I mean, doesn't look bad. Not a lot of parts. There's the little chrome tree here. So yeah, I mean, it looks pretty cool. We got yeah, we're gonna put it together, and so I'm gonna break out. I'm gonna glue everything together, and then I'll be right back.